Hi everyone, Forrest here with Honey Pot Zone 5 and it is winter. Today I wanted to share with you one of our favorite winter beverages and what it can do for our garden. It is coffee! Yay! Well, actually coffee grounds. You can have the coffee. Just use your grounds in your garden and I'm going to tell you why. Dr. Linda Talker-Scott did a study on coffee grounds at Washington State University, and she found out some pretty good stuff about this brew. We knew it was good for us, didn't we? So anyways, after we brew our coffee, the compounds that are left are antioxidant and antimicrobial. Try and say that 10 times real fast. And that's the good stuff. It's like fatty acids and lipids and stuff, things that are good for us to eat ourselves. Of course, we don't want to eat coffee grounds, but we want to put them in our compost bin. You can put them directly around the plant, but I would not suggest that, at least not too thick of a layer, because it can have adverse effects. It can also crust over and stop any other nutrients from going through the soil. And just like anything, we like to have some diversity in there, like in our compost. There's a lot of diversity in there, so it's a very healthy community of earthworms and bugs and fungus and bacteria breaking down in there. And speaking of that, the earthworms really like coffee. They will come up to the surface and take it down into the compost, and it aerates the soil when they do this, and they break it down even further for us. Coffee also suppresses some fungal rots, wilts, and bacteria pathogens. So yay! I mean, this is just getting better and better. But you can overdo it. Just like with drinking coffee, you only need 20% of your compost pile to be coffee grounds. Anything over that, like 30% or greater, can be detrimental to it. So it can be too much of a good thing. Also, with germination, some of it was enhanced and some of it was inhibited by coffee. So I wouldn't use it in any type of seed starting mix or anything like that, because you're going to have a germination issue with it depending on that. Now, one of the myths, and it's kind of a myth, kind of not, is that coffee is acidic. The grounds are mildly acidic, so I do recommend using them on like your blueberries, your roses, your rhododendrons, your azaleas, plants that like acidic. But as it breaks down, it gets more alkaline, and it really, even in the beginning, it's kind of around that medium range is where all plants thrive and love to grow. And in soil tests, you'll find out about the ranges and stuff, and I will do a soil test video when I am able to dig up my ground and send one in, and I'll share all that information with you. That's going to be it on coffee. Don't forget to save your grounds and use those. You can also go by your local coffee shop. A lot of them will provide those for you for free if you would like some of their used up grounds. So like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.